Hello, my dear, beautiful, creative friend. My name is Andersen. I'm an artist, an online art teacher, and I'm super happy to invite you to my annual free mixed media retreat, The Wish Upon a Star mixed media course. I am hosting this course for the fourth time and so happy to be able to go through this experience of creativity, of art making and creative, community with you all again this year. And I've created a super special piece of art in this year's main lesson. I'm going to show it to you here, and I invite you to come and create with me. This is a once a year opportunity to come and create with me like this. It's a full in-depth lesson about art, about my best watercolor plus mixed media techniques, and I'm super excited to share it with you. Here is a little bit of a view of what we'll be working with. We will be working with watercolor, and we will be working with making an underdrawing so we can confidently work with loose and painterly techniques in watercolor, classical watercolor, and then we will slide over and add some beautiful mixed media techniques together with that watercolor. So that's going to be super wonderful. We will work with this spirit of the full moon. It was super interesting to kind of get to know this almost like a fairy queen that came to me in the painting, and her spirit companion of owl. It's a very soothing and almost like cooling experience working with this painting, and I'm really looking forward to share it with you. Everybody can join this course. Everything is explained, and I'll hand walk you through each and every part of the process. I've been an artist and art teacher for many decades now, literally. I'm 47 now, and I started teaching art when I was only 21. I'm a better art teacher now than I was when I was 21, but I have a lot of experience passing on the sacred knowledge of good art making, and I'm really looking forward to you joining me in that process. So I'll hand walk you through every step of the process. You don't need any prior experience. There is no drawing skills required. I also am a drawing teacher. I love to draw. I love to teach core and deep drawing skills, but I know that that's a whole subject in itself. So don't worry if you're a beginner and you're thinking like, whoa, but I can't draw something like this. It's not a drawing course. There's no drawing skills required. I teach you some of my most beloved ways of utilizing some tracing techniques that also gives you some creative freedom. I've worked with all kinds of techniques to get motifs onto paper and canvas. There's so many things you could do, and some of them has advantages and some of them has other advantages, and I'll show you what I tend to love and like the most that you can add in your own special way. So don't worry about that. It's a painting course primarily, a watercolor and mixed media painting course, and also, you need no prior painting experience. You don't need any experience at all. So come if you're a beginner, and I am super happy to kind of welcome you into my world of making kind of magical, mythological, and nature-inspired art. So let's take it nice and slow. In the course, we will also work with our mindset about being creatives, how to really tap into cultivating a blissful, loving way of being creatives. with my approach that I like to call the Lotus Pond state of mind. I'm going to teach you about that in the course. It's about kind of honoring your own artistical path, honoring the unique art that comes from you. And so important. So yes, that's beautiful. So come, come and join me. And also this course is super, super good for all creatives. It's some core and very classical techniques that I have worked with for decades now, and I'm not going to stop working with them. I'm developing them all the time. Each time I create a new piece of art, it's new, it's fresh, it's a surprise for me as well. So if you are an intermediate experienced creative or super experienced creative, come and join us as well, and there will be lots of gold nuggets for you and new techniques in this course. It's a never-ending journey of art that we are on together. So yes, this is my invitation for you to come and join me in the free, it's 100% free, Wish Upon so much to say. Wish Upon a Star course, free online mixed media retreat of 2023. I only host this course once a year, so now is the time. It's 100% free. Only cost is that you sign up with your email address so I can send you information about the course. If you regret, you can just opt out of the course again. There's no binding, and you're never gonna hear from me again in terms of me sending you anything. It's just like full disclaimer here and disclosure for your knowledge. So all you have to do is sign up with your email address. You can do that depending on where you see this video. There is a link for it below the video, or maybe it's above the video, depending on where you see this on the World Wide Web. And that's it. During the course, I'm going to open up registration and sign up for my membership, Art Soul Living Academy, Creative Academy. That's my online art school. That's 100% optional. But first of all, come and have fun with us in the free course. That's what I'm inviting you to here. It's going to be super fun. Always plus 1,000 women and beautiful creative souls signed up for the course, and we can't wait to welcome you into our beautiful creative community as well. So come and create with me, and I'll see you in Wish Upon a Star 2023.